Most GP clinics and medical groups appear unaffected by the Health Ministry's suspension of 2 flu vaccines. Those CNA has spoken to say they don't carry the brands and are well stocked with alternatives. Still, several clinics say they've been getting a lot of calls from patients wondering if they might be affected by recent flu jabs. Chloe Chu reports.
Any other symptoms?
As the flu season nears at the start of December, the advice has been to get vaccinated early. Healthcare providers and medical practitioners have been readying themselves to meet demand, but now a hiccup. These 2 flu vaccines, SkyCell Flu Quadrivalent and VaxiGrip Tetra, have been temporarily suspended as a precautionary measure. The 2 brands are part of a group of 7 identified by South Korean health authorities as being involved in deaths reported there. One medical group says it took immediate action once the suspension was announced.
One of the vaccines that we ordered was actually affected. We immediately terminated the order and make alternative arrangements to order vaccines that have not been affected. Currently, we have adequate stocks of flu vaccines for the upcoming flu season.
Another clinic says it's had to get help from the Health Ministry to ensure it has an adequate supply of alternative vaccines.
I asked my staff to inquire about the stock situation from the other 2 companies. But sad to say, they told me that they're out of stock. I think after MOH has discussed with the pharmaceutical companies, we are able to get more stock. On 1st of November, MOH is starting the vaccine subsidy program. And without the stock, we can't implement the program.
According to the Health Ministry, 2 other vaccines have been brought into Singapore for the coming flu season. CNA understands GlaxoSmithKline's Fluarix Tetra is used by many medical practitioners, along with another brand from pharmaceutical firm Abbott. Meanwhile, several clinics have told CNA they've been flooded with calls from patients who have had flu shots, wanting to allay concerns and asking about the brands of vaccines they carry.
So if you have injected the vaccine, have no fear. There's currently no evidence that the vaccine is linked to the deaths. This is a precautionary move.
In response to queries from CNA, Sanofi Pasteur, which produces the affected VaxiGrip Tetra vaccine, says all batches in South Korea were exclusively distributed in the country. The firm adds that it's working with health officials in Singapore to resume the use of its vaccine.